Mr. Smith is appearing today on arraignment to a filed information which I provided counsel a copy with of today. And again, he's related to the same incident that the two previous defendants were arraigned on. However, he's charged in a different information. And so a different trial date is absolutely fine, in which we would actually need, in that he's in custody and we have a 60-day clock. It's a 5-count, I believe, 5-count information. Your Honor, charging vehicular homicide, 2 counts of that, 1 count of vehicular assault, 1 count of hit-and-run death or injury, and 1 count of tampering with physical evidence. So we'd ask that he be arraigned on that and that a trial date be set, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I give brief indication the court had an opportunity to review all of the counts. Brandon fully understands what he's being charged with. We would waive any additional formal reading. I would also indicate that counsel did provide us with the information, but also the notice of special punishment provision. Mr. Gasparino gave us that earlier today too. I've also reviewed that with Brandon, and again, Your Honor, we're ready to plead not guilty to all 5 of the counts. Ask the court to please set a trial date in the normal hours.
Within this meeting?
That would be great. We could wait. You know, the other option, Your Honor, and this would be completely up to the courts. I did not have an opportunity to discuss this with Mr. Vu, and I don't know what Mr. Gasparino's position would be. We certainly could execute. There is absolutely no possibility this is going to be right in 60 days. So the other option, just for judicial efficiency, would be, or economy, would be to execute a speedy trial waiver today and ask the court to set it farther than 60 days. Or we could just appear toward the end of 60 days and ask the court for more time. I just can't imagine having it done by a 2-month period.
Because I didn't get any direction on that from Mr. Vu, I would prefer to set it within 60 days.
That's fine. That's fine.
Sure.
Sure.
All right, so we can give you March 31st.
Mr. Vu is unavailable from the 31st to the 1st of April.
So March 24th.
2 days. That works for Mr. Vu.
March 24th is a 45-day set. I understand the problem. Continuing at the site that we were going to the 24th. So March is a 45-day set. Reading is on the 20th at 1:30. Omnibus requested at this time.
And Your Honor, strictly at this point in time, Your Honor, again, we can certainly set that out later. I would indicate to the court, purely for the purpose of the record, I do believe that actually there will be a trial on that date. On a case of everyone would likely to go. Again, just for
I will notify Mr. Vu that if he feels needed for the omnibus hearing, that he contact Mr. McMullen, as well as the fact that the subject of potential continuance was brought up, or excuse me, set out further was brought up, and so as such, maybe they could agree on a date decided and address both those issues. So I'll make sure to notify Mr. Vu of that.
Just
a couple signatures.
Okay.
And no omnibus requested at this time?
No, Your Honor, I think that can be decided back in.
That's what I'll talk to Mr. Vu about.
Your Honor, thank you very much.
Thank you. Pre-filed information. I've given copies of that information to both counsel, and I believe Mr. Greer is going to address the issue of the notice of appearance on Ms. Smith's matter.
That is correct. I will hear that.
Is that a limited appearance or?
Thank you.
You're picking up. So you need formal charges then? Have you received copies of the information?
We did in fact receive a copy of the information when the client was charged. We can return it to the trailer, make a formal reading, and then we're going to do what's happening.
And I'm being paid on behalf of Ms. Andino. We've gone over the list of information and the discounts that's relevant to color on the information. Plead not guilty.
All right, given that the cases are filed differently than the Brandon Smith case, then are we free to go into custody?
Yes, Your Honor.
90 days to wait.
Unless there's any objection from council, I think that's how we're situated.
Absolutely.
Thank you. I can give you, April 21st is the closest one I had stayed in this week. Otherwise, we're looking to May 12th, which is
April 21st may work for Mr. Sweeney.
council would probably April 29th.
That's fine. Just time to be able to take that.
So April 21 for a trial date, that's 73 days out with readiness on the 17th at 1:30. Is there any omnibus requested at this time?
We'll approach the court, we have Ms. Smith,
I think I'll let Mr. Wu do the same.
the document we're looking at during the morning.
Remind you, Bill, that you're still under whatever release order conditions that are still in effect. The trial is pending. Of course, all your court dates are mandatory in-person appearances.
That's correct, Your Honor, and we have, again, just to reiterate, readiness hearing, the next date currently scheduled for April 17th, 2014, and trial on April 21st, 2014. 73 days elapsed.
Understood, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I believe that, Your Honor, I believe we're ready on number